Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack widget tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to customize and use the Easy Digital Downloads Product Reviews Carousel widget. To begin, you will need the Easy Digital Downloads and Easy Digital Downloads Reviews plugins installed on your WordPress site. In case you missed how to add reviews on your products, follow this part of the video. We're going inside the Easy Digital Downloads dashboard, and here you can see the list of the products. Going into the front end to see the product page. Now click on any product and go inside the single page view. Scroll down until you see a review form below. Let's fill up the form and post the review by clicking the button below the form. You will be able to see the review posted on top of the form as a new review. That's how you can stack reviews. Now that's done, let's head to our target page, where we can bring up the reviews with the Easy Digital Downloads Reviews Carousel Widget. Inside the page, let's drag and drop the widget in the middle container. By default, it will show a couple of reviews, along with back and forth arrows to let your visitors move around. As you can see, the reviews consist of a title, customer name, rating star, and description. From the options, you can customize the number of columns for the display. We are sitting at 3, but you can go low or go higher. Then you can change the space between the items using the item gap scroll bar here. There's also a title HTML tag selector below, and some switchers to show or hide certain elements from the carousel, such as title, image, etc. From the query section, you can determine the number of items to be displayed with the limit option. And there are some sorting options below to help you rearrange the item's order. Next is the navigation section. Here, you can choose a navigation type from the 5 styles. We are going with the arrows. Also, you can show scroll bar navigation by turning on a switcher there. Then you can change the arrow's position and also select an arrowhead style from the 23 ready icons. With the last switcher here, you can hide arrows on mobile devices. Then comes the carousel settings section. Here, you can customize and change animation settings for the carousel, like the autoplay, layout, loop, animation speed, etc. Now, we can move into the Style tab and start customizing the appearance of the carousel. Here, the first section named Items lets you customize the background color of the items. For the background, a simple white or transparent is not bad. Then you can put a solid border around the items and adjust the border width. Then change the border color to something flashy to highlight the items. Next, let's go inside the title section. Here, we will skip the colors and go into the typography option to customize the font style. In it, you can change the font family, font size, weight, transform, decoration, etc. After that, go into the content section and let's customize the typography and enhance the font style. When done, we can move into the navigation section. Let's change the arrow background color to the same blue we used for the border, just a bit deeper. Also, make the icon color white. Then add a solid border around the arrows while putting a semi-transparent blue color for the border. Also, add values in the border radius field to curve the edges of the border. To make them into rounds, simply put the same values in the 4 padding fields here. Now we can focus on the arrow's size and then customize the horizontal offset to bring them closer to the content area. Don't forget to customize colors for the arrows for hover. Just reverse the colors for the icon and background, and you are pretty much done. Now going back into the carousel settings to turn on autoplay, and the product review carousel is good to go. This is how you can spend less time creating awesome review carousels with Element Pack. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.